In today's video, I'll teach you how to access your TradingView account with ease and start leveraging this powerful trading platform. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other, and go to tradingview.com. This will take you directly to TradingView's homepage, which is packed with charts, tools and financial data. Next, look towards the top right corner and click the login button. TradingView offers multiple ways to log in, giving you flexibility. You can use the traditional email and password method or log in via Google, Facebook, Apple ID, Yahoo, Twitter, or even SSO if your organization uses single sign-on credentials. It's important to choose the same method you used when creating your account to ensure a smooth login. If you are unsure, try the method you usually use for online services. Enter your credentials carefully, especially if using email and password, to avoid errors or temporary lockouts. Once you hit login, you'll be taken directly into your TradingView account. From here, you can explore a wide array of charts, tools and financial data to boost your trading journey. And that's it. Logging into TradingView is simple once you know the steps. Take your time, choose the best method, and you'll be ready to maximize everything the platform has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials.